Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I am super excited. I'm going to be trying out a company and website called BABEGEM. Now, they are a fashion and beauty website, and they sent me some products, so I'm super excited to try them out today. I already did my eyebrows because I didn't choose a product to do my eyebrows. So, yes, those are already done. But I'm just so excited because their stuff is so cute. First thing that I want to show you guys is I got these brushes. Now this is what the brushes look like. They're super cute. They're super soft, like so soft. We have a little, this is called a spoolie. Eyeshadow brushes. We have everything in here. So I just put them in a little cup. This is like my mug that I have, but let's see, we got a little fan brush. All of the products will be listed in the description box down below, and if you want to purchase anything that I use, you can use code Haley Morales for 35% off. So not only do they have like makeup and stuff, they have like accessories and all types of other stuff. So definitely go check them out and use my coupon code. But the only thing I got that like wasn't really makeup is this little hair clip. Super cute. It's so soft. When I put my hair back, I like didn't really straighten it all the way, so like the underlayers are like wavy and it doesn't really look that good. But like so like I got the clip to put my hair back, but I guess maybe I could like put some of it back. Honestly, I don't know. My hair just is a mess. Maybe for another day we can use this. So the first thing we are going to use is this huge beauty blender, beauty sponge. It is literally so big. Like, this is my normal beauty sponge. It's really dirty, and it's the size of my hand. So I'm just gonna use my personal foundation. I didn't get any foundation from them. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little squirt, see how this sponge applies. My hair, I know I need to get it re-dyed, but I just haven't had the time. So anyways, let's try this out. It's literally so big. Right off the bat, I can tell it's not really soaking it up, which is good, because if it soaks up the foundation, then like you're wasting a bunch of money. It's doing a good job at like applying, and my foundation isn't full coverage or anything like that. So I already got this wet, by the way, just so you know. Blend down the neck. I literally have no jawline, and that makes me so mad. But anyway, how have y'all been doing? I've been doing, I don't know. We don't have to talk about me. So now I'm gonna use my concealer, and this is my little makeup bag, my bestie gave it to me. For my concealer, I'm just gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. But anyways, like I was saying, I'm going to pay to have my song produced, and it should be coming out shortly, like a month, maybe more than a month. And I know I keep saying like my music's gonna come out, but I actually have the money for it now. Cause I don't know, I haven't been saving. I just got some money for it. So okay, but I'm gonna start saving. Okay, hear me out. Now I know I spent 150K in a year, but no more of that. I'm gonna start saving everything I'm getting so that I can move out when I'm 18, because I'm 17 and I turn 18 at the end of this year, and it's already January. But yeah, and then I'm gonna go to college, and I'm gonna be getting a full-time job right before college, and then a part-time job while I'm in college, and then I gotta get my license. No, I gotta get my license before I go to college. Anyways, I am so scared to drive. I physically cannot do it. Like, my leg starts to shake when I drive. On top of all that, I'm getting my GED. I got a lot of things going on, don't I? Even though I don't do anything all day. This video is probably the first productive thing I've done in like a month. Probably. This is blending everything out really, really nicely. I really like it. It's super, super soft. It's not like I'm beating my face, even though it may look like it. It's super soft. We have a blush, another blush, highlighter. So I'm gonna need to do cream contour with my stuff. I'm just gonna do this really, really quick off camera because it's not their products, and this isn't really like a makeup tutorial. It's just like trying out products. So I'll be back once this cream contour is on. Next, we are going to use the blushes that I have from BABEGEM. They a little brand there, I guess it's called Clap O Claps. So we're going to be testing out that blush. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this blush. It's pretty dark. It's called Hera. It's like ombre. That's cute. And then we have this one. I just ruined that packaging. And we have this one. Look how cute it is. Look at the packaging. It reminds me of like, oh, it's called Mochi Blush. That's why it reminds me of like Japanese or Asian. I don't really know what mochi is. I know what it is, but I don't know where it comes from. It comes with this little, this is so cute. It comes with this little thing. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It looks like a little mochi that you would eat. Okay, so I caught that. It comes with this little cream blush, and then I think I got this blush to put on top of the cream blush. So let's give this a try. I don't want to do too much. Okay. If this is strong, hopefully it's not. Okay. Then we'll just blend it out, right? And then we'll do some on the nose, right here. Okay, there's still quite a bit of product on there. I'm just going to blend it in. Ooh, it actually seems pretty pigmented because I'm blending it out and it's definitely still there. I really like that. It's so cute. Oh, I think I could use a little more on the nose. Look, I love this. You just like put your finger in here. I'm just gonna put that there and on the tip of my nose. There, because I want a very like, we're going for like, I don't know. I love the blush. Super, super cute. There's still a lot of product on here. So that is very pigmented. And it's a little mochi. That's adorable. Next, we have... Ooh, I forgot I had these brushes. Oh my gosh. Next, we have the blush. This is Halo Ombre Blush. Now, I'm just going to use this brush. I think it's like a powder brush, but I'm going to use it. So, we're going to see how pigmented this is. Hopefully, I don't like... I'm dipping it quite a bit. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit on the cheeks. Ooh, that's pretty good. And then we're going pretty blush today. We're going for them flush cheeks. Okay, we need to blend that out. I like to blend it up into the bottom of my eyes. I don't know why, because like there's like a very like good line there and I hate that. I don't know, it always does that for all my makeup. Like, I think it's my face structure. I think I have very prominent cheeks or something. I honestly don't know. We're very, very flush today. And then we'll dip into that again and onto the nose. I feel like we don't have enough on the nose. Maybe we do, I don't know. There we go. Next, we have the highlighter in 01 Gold Star. The packaging is literally so cute. It's like holographic and it's like faintly pink. Is that just me or is it like pink? Like a clear pink? I feel like, I don't know. Don't know if you can tell on camera. We're gonna go in with this fan brush and just douse it in highlighter because I want to be a glowing goddess. Here we go. Okay, it's pretty doused up. Let's see. Ooh, that is pretty. That is a really pigmented highlighter. Dang, we popping off. Definitely very, very pigmented. Love it. Okay, we got 2 more things in here. Look, has a little owl on it. Owl? Has a little owl on it. Ooh, this is nice packaging. Look at the lipstick. Oh my gosh. I hope you can see that. Right now, I'm going to try this liner and lash kit. Okay, so it says I can't put on the lashes until after it's dry, but I think I did a pretty good job on the eyeliner. Eyeliner makes such a difference. Like, look at my eyes. While we wait for the eyes to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lipstick on. Now it's time to put on the lashes. Ooh, it's stuck to the... Oh my gosh. Okay, that's crazy. That's actually insane. Oh my gosh. I know you're lying. Oh my gosh, guys. I didn't know magnetic lashes like actually worked. This one is like going a little down because I should have cut it, but I'm too lazy to cut it. So this one is sticking up more. But they like what? Anyways, so this is the look. Super adorable, super cute. I really like it. The lashes are like really pretty and subtle. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was the look. I love you guys. Make sure to use code Haley Morales for 35% off, and all the links to the products will be down below. I love you.